Hello, good morning. Welcome po sa ating Sumada update to all location and all nation. Ayan. So, still all location ito guys. So, meron tayo ditong out of 54 nation. 54 ata ito eh. Okay. So, basahin ko guys. Kasi yung iba kasi hindi nila nakikita yung mga sumada nila. Okay, still ng Quezon City, Albay, Pangasinan, Parañaque, Las Piñas, Catanduanes, Taguig, Muntinlupa, Camarines Norte, Marinduque, Palawan, Ilocos Norte, Pasay City, Puerto Princesa, Santiago City, Manila City, Marikina, at Bulacan. Okay, next batch tayo. Okay, Olongapo, Bataan, Mount Province, Naga City, Caloocan, Angeles, Cagayan, Kalinga, Zambales, Negros Occidental, Sorsogon, Romblon, Camarines Sur, Nueva Ecija, Baguio, Nueva Vizcaya, Aurora, Benguet, La Union, Ilocos Sur. So, ulitin ko guys, 3 days ang pagtaya. Okay, last batch. Abra, Apayao, Ifugao, Oriental Mindoro, Quirino, Occidental Mindoro, Tarlac, Isabela, Antique, Capiz, Aklan, Pampanga, Cavite, Rizal, Quezon Province, Laguna at Batangas. So yan po ang ating sumada dito po sa STL All Location, All Nation. So good luck sa inyong lahat guys. Have a nice day. Three days.